Hey guys, this is Wolverine Gaming from server 773, and in season 1 we are getting a first ever blizzard. You can see a notification going on here. If you tap on it, you can see the alert is already given before 3 hours. When it will hit and your temperature will drop by 10 degrees Celsius minus, and it will be a level 1 blizzard. Okay, so there are lots of levels in it. So it's a basic level blizzard, and you can complete small tasks like season donation, help your allies increase temperature, keep the high heat furnace running for 1200 seconds, keep high heat furnace ordering for 1200 seconds. And you can click on the raise temperature option to see how you can boost your temperature or lower your temperature. So you can check out that by manual option like warm area, build furnace, alliance furnace, assistant, etc. Okay, so there is also alliance reward for you. You can see alliance state on during this cold wave you'll get these rewards, and there is also individual rewards like coal shards and courage medal, etc. Okay, so that's a good reward for you. And if you click on the instruction, you will find that during the blizzard server wide temperature will drop rapidly. Keep your base warm to avoid freezing. Complete task during the event to earn rewards. Unclaimed rewards will be sent by mail after the blizzard ends. Okay, so there's a lots of time uh, when you'll get a alert, and I'll skip that part so you can see there's 1 minute to go. And in cold wave incoming section I got some tasks done, and I can get that rewards by completing other tasks. Okay, so make sure before cold waves hit you, you get the temperature right of your area or your base. So first make sure you turn on the alliance furnace so it can add some degree heat into your alliance area and your base. Okay, so you can see 300 minute per minute coal is burning for 3 degrees Celsius. You can also turn on overdrive if blizzard is high. So you can see the temperature is now lowering or being stable. And also make sure you turn on high heat furnace of your own base so you can turn auto on the furnace. Like right now it got already auto on. Okay, so the blizzard is now approach to us. You can see cold waves, some snow flares in here, and it will be last around 3 hours. Okay, so you need to get your base or your temperature around 22 minus 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, for better conditions. So you can see some people have already turned their furnaces on as we announced the blizzard is approaching, and some have not, who'll get stuck by freezing. And as you can see, there are lots of player already in to the zone of 20 degrees Celsius to minus 20 degrees Celsius. Right now I am minus 5.5% because I have also turned the furnace on for my building. And in cold wave incoming event you can see your all temperature provided by furnace of your own and alliance furnace. You can see height furnace and also base temperature minus 22 lower, it will freeze current base temperature. You can see world temperature, alliance info about how many of your allies got how much degree temperature. So you can see right now up to 0 to 20, minus 20 degrees Celsius our allies are 46, and 26 of our allies are out of that temperature zone, so they will get freeze. Right now I will show you which are out of the alliance assembly option because they didn't get the alliance furnace heat or temperature. You can see there is a timer going on, like after 4 minutes or some few minutes they will get freeze their bases. Okay, so you can click on the fire button on their bases to give them plus 2 degrees Celsius temperature. That will cost you 100 coal. Okay, so the recon plane will give that boost. You will get some rewards for doing that. As you can see, there are lots of bases in rewards outside of the alliance mark, so they will get ultimately freeze. So you can see there is a countdown on every base which is outside of the alliance furnace area and alliance assembly point. Okay, so you must have to be in alliance furnace area or nearby it. Okay, because this will make you freeze if you are out of the alliance mark or you didn't have the furnace on. So you can see the timer is now ticked and lots of bases plus those monsters also got frozen. You can see lots of bases which never turn the alliance furnace nearby alliance furnace and never turn their own building furnace got froze. Here you can see we can click on the hammer button and send our troop or squads to make them free, but they must have to turn on the furnace, at least their own building furnace. Okay, personal furnace. You can see we got some degree Celsius minus or lower, but it will wasted if they don't turn on the furnaces. Right now you can see my furnace is fully on uh, overdrive mode, so it will cost me lots of coal. So you must have the coal reserve for that when the blizzards approach. So you can see we also got the furnace on for right now, not on overdrive mode, but it will be normal because the waves are level 1. Okay, so you can click on the base which you gonna make unfreeze and they will attack it, and you can see uh, some getting minus. So we're gonna attack it one by one and let's see if it gets unfreezed. But as I said, if they don't active their own furnace building, they can't get unfreeze. They will get freeze again. So you can see the timer is going on. After 5 minutes it will be again freeze. Okay, so you must have to turn on the own building furnace or must be in alliance furnace area, the square which is given by alliance furnace. So you must have to be alert for that, that you must on the furnaces for yourself and alliance. So I hope guys this video is helpful.